Right now, we're seeing a sentiment score of plus 0.37 for films, with momentum holding steady at plus 0.00. This stable sentiment, combined with 20 semantic clusters, suggests a noteworthy consensus among viewers, especially given that sentiment typically fluctuates more. What's interesting is that this sentiment spike is occurring without the usual corresponding momentum shift, indicating that while audiences feel positively, the excitement might not be translating into a wider buzz yet. You can leverage this insight through our API, which returns sentiment scores, momentum, and semantic analysis for any given film. Imagine using this data to optimize your marketing strategy by targeting films with high sentiment but low momentum, a goldmine for engagement tactics. For more details, check out pulsebit.loj enterprise.com/docs.